I'm sure all of you have seen a skin cycling trend going around on social media. I cannot say it is a new trend, but it is still gaining lots of use. It is essentially a 4-night skincare regimen that you repeatedly cycle through to simplify your routine and potentially reduce inflammation from active ingredients. So what exactly is it? Hi, I'm Ala Shapiro, a spa owner of 2 Woodhouse Day Spas in New Jersey. This is the Spa Runner channel where I cover topics such as health, wellness, and beauty. What is skin cycling? Dr. Whitney Bowe, a New York-based dermatologist, has been credited with coining this term, skin cycling. According to her, the classic skin cycling routine consists of a 4-night schedule. Night 1 is exfoliation, night 2 is for retinoids, and night 3 and 4 are recovery nights, where you focus on hydration and barrier repair. Once you finish the cycle, you repeat the process. Skin cycling is actually not new. It is a well-known treatment protocol in dermatology. Retinoids, in particular, have often been cycled as many people cannot tolerate them nightly. Plus, Dr. Whitney Bowe adds, people don't always have time to correctly apply products, so they have to cycle through them. Instead, if you are finding any value in this video, please give me a thumb up. It will make a huge difference in growing my channel. And stay until the end and I will show you my day 1 through day 4 cycling routine. What are the benefits of skin cycling? And is it safe? Let's come back to Dr. Whitney Bowe. She explained that this specific skin cycling routine not only helps you get more out of your ingredients. She says the exfoliation helps prep your skin for the retinoids, but it also helps you avoid irritation. She adds that exfoliating and retinol-based products can be irritating to the skin, and that's why recovery nights are important. The recovery nights let the skin recover and rejuvenate. The 4-day cycling routine is not ideal for all skin types. Exfoliating twice a week can be too irritating. You should talk to your esthetician or dermatologist who can look at your skin and determine the right routine for you. And if you do find that the exfoliation is too irritating, you should skip that step. While some skin types can only tolerate 2 nights of retinol per week, making this routine somewhat of a sweet spot for them, others can handle more. How to try skin cycling? Start during your nightly routine. Wash with a simple cleanser that's free of any potential irritants like salicylic acid. Then follow it with retinol or exfoliant depending if you are on day 1 or 2 of a cycle, and a hydrating product. After applying the active ingredients, you want to make sure you are using a hydrating product. I recommend moisture after both. For retinol, you can go the sandwich route, which involves first applying a moisturizer, then the retinol product, followed by a hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which draws and remains moisture in the skin like a sponge. When it comes to exfoliating products, look for ones with ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. Salicylic acid is derived from plant products and is good for people with acne-prone skin. It is also anti-inflammatory. Glycolic acid is derived from sugarcane, can treat acne but can irritate the skin around the eyes. Lactic acid is derived from milk and is one of the gentle exfoliants. For retinol, if you're going with an over-the-counter product, look for ones that also contain vitamin C or ceramides, as they can brighten skin and also give some hydration. If you want something stronger, doctors suggest opting for over-the-counter adapalene tretinoin, or ask your dermatologist about prescription strengths. Finally, for moisturizers, look for ingredients such as glycerin, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, coconut oil, and shea butter. What do I think about the skin cycling trend? The skin cycling trend is not for everyone, but it is a good routine for a start. Cycling regimen could be beneficial for those who have sensitive skin or just start implementing retinoids in their skincare routine. But at the same time, people who look for anti-aging effects, which retinoids and exfoliants work on, might use retinol more often than just every 4th day, like in the skin cycling trend. Retinol can be used every day for better anti-aging results if you don't have any irritation. Regarding exfoliating 2 times a week, it might be too often for some skin types and concerns, so my recommendation will be to customize and find the best skincare routine that works well for your skin type and achieve the goals that you are looking for. Try new products, different concentrations and frequency of use. Be consistent and keep your skincare routine simple. Not every trend is for everybody. As I promised at the beginning, here is my cycling routine. I use for all days, day 1 through 4, I use Babor Cleansing High Oil System. This is oil and then you apply the Hydro Base that helps to remove the oil. This is great for the eye makeup removal or any eye makeup removal. So I like that cleanser. For the exfoliating part, day 1 I use Glycolic 10 Renew Overnight from SkinCeuticals. It has the glycolic acid and works really well. And for my moisturizers, I use either A.G.E Interrupter Advanced, new product just came out, or Dr. Babor Pro EGF Cream. They are both very moisturizing and I love these both for my skin over 40. If you are under 40, younger skin, you may need to find different moisturizers. For the night 2 retinol, I use either Dr. Babor Retinol Serum or SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5. And for my night 3 and 4, I like to add SkinCeuticals A.G.E Intensifier or Babor Pro Hyaluronic Acid. These are all the products that you need for skin cycling day 1 through 4. I hope this video was helpful and now you know a little more about the skin cycling trend. Watch my skincare playlist next.